Let me introduce today another concept on logical reasoning, sir, that is blood relations. Blood relations. Okay, let us see a family, father, mother. Father is having brother and sister. Mother is also having brother and sister. So you have to establish what type of relation exists between them depending upon the characters involved in a given question. That is what blood relations. Okay, this is a real life question. Real life. Every family is having relations, cousins are there. So you have to identify, after reading the given problem, you have to identify what is the relation between the two characters. There may be more than two characters in the question. So let us see the concept one after another with the help of some numerical problems. Look at the first question, sir. A is B's brother. A is B's brother. C is A's mother. C is A's mother. D is C's father. D is C's father. E is B's son. How is D related to A? How is D related to A? How is D related to A? This is my question. First read the question carefully and represent the characters which are given in the question. Some imaginary pictures we can draw. Look at the question, sir. A is B's brother. A and B is B's brother. So B's gender is not given. C is A's mother. D is C's father. E is B's son. So let us start the story with D. Let us take D here. This circle has no significance. Remember, there is no rule that you have to represent it in a circle or a square. These circles or squares I am representing only for the convenience of students. Okay. D. D is C's father. So to avoid any confusion, it being the first problem I am writing, D is C's father. Father means gender you can identify. C. C is A's mother. We have a character A here. This way, this is father and daughter relation they have. This is mother and son relation they have. Between D and C. Between D and C, what is the relation? C's father is D means the relation between D and C is equal to father and daughter. Now C is A's mother. What is the relationship they have? It is mother and son relation. A is B's brother. Let us introduce one more character here. This is A is B's brother. E is B's son. So this is son relation here. B's gender is not given, sir. B may be mother or father. Depending upon the options we can identify. Now what is the relation I have to establish here? How is D related to A? How is D related to A? This way. So this is first generation you can take, second generation. And this is third generation. 3 generations we are having. All these are arbitrary. See, not compulsory in the exam. Again I am saying, only to avoid any type of confusion for the beginners, that is learners who are learning blood relations first time. This way of representation will give you a clear idea. Now look at this. D and A. Who is A? A is C's son. Who is C? C is D's daughter. Therefore, options, let us see. Option A. So, options, I'll write, 1 minute, I'll write the options, sir. Option A, son. Option B, grandson. Option C, grandfather. And option D, great grandfather. Great grandfather. This one relation is given. So the relation between D and A is equal to grandfather grandson. C, A is C's son and C is A's daughter. So one generation gap we have. How is D related to A? So option C, grandfather. D is A's grandfather. Or you can give the answer as A is D's grandson. Okay. Note down the solution. Again I am repeating this point, sir. These pictures, the circles, squares, whatever notation you are using, that is not required. Just you have to identify the relation for the sake of your convenience. This way a picture is drawn. It is an imaginary figure. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Let us see the second question. A is B's brother. Question number 2. A is B's brother. C is A's father. C is A's father. D is C's sister. And E is D's mother. D's mother. How is B related to E? How is B related to E? How is B related to E? This is my question, sir. This is my question. A and B are brothers. C is A's father. C is A's father. And D is C's sister and E is D's mother. D is C's sister. E is D's mother. Let us start with the relation E. We have E. This family tree will start here. E, who is E? E is D's mother. Let us see D here. E is D's mother. So this is mother-son relationship or daughter relationship. D is C's sister. D is C's sister. So this relation is sisters. D is C's sister. C is, look at it, E is D's mother. D is C's sister. So this is female. Next, A and B are brothers. Who is C? C is A's father. Here A, this relation is son. D is C's sister, sir, and C is A's father. So this relation is father-son relation. So this is equal to between C and D, it is sister and brother. And this relation is mother-daughter. This relation is mother-daughter. A is B's brother. Let us see B here. This is brother. A is B's brother. Now what is given in the question? How B is related to E? Let us say this is first generation, this is second generation, this is third generation. Here it is third generation and it is fourth generation. This is fourth generation. Let us see the options what we have here. First option A, granddaughter. Option B, great granddaughter. Option C, grand aunt. Option D, daughter. This way options are given. Okay, sir. A and B are, look at this, A and B are brothers. Now you have to identify the relation between them. D is father. So what is the relation we have here between E? So this is same family. This is one family we have. And again these two one family, father. These two are brother sisters only. Therefore this is first generation. This is a second generation and it is a third generation. This is a third generation. So third generation means between the relation between B and E is equal to granddaughter grandmother or grandmother granddaughter. How it is given? B is related to E. B is related to E. So B is E's granddaughter. B is E's granddaughter. Look at the relation one more time, sir. First generation E. It is, look at this. E is D's mother. E is D's mother. And D is C's sister. C. So this is brother sister relationship you have. C sister. A and B are brothers. C is A's father. So this is father relation between them. Here it is father. So these two brother sisters. So this is one generation, this is one more generation second, and it is third. So three generations are involved. Answer is equal to B is E's granddaughter. Okay? Note down the solution. Now let us see the next question. Let us see the question number 3. A is B's sister. C is B's mother. C is B's mother. D is C's father. C's father. E is D's mother. Then how is A related to D? Then how is A related to D? How is A related to D? Let us see the options what we have. grandmother, option B, grandfather, option C, daughter, option D, granddaughter. This is. Let us see the question, sir, from where we have to start. A is B's sister. So A is B's sister. Here it is, relation is very clear. B may be, if B is male, then brother and sister. If B is female, then it is sister and sister relation. C is B's mother. So I'll take A and B here, and C here. C is B's mother. This way. So this relation is very clear. Mother and son relation they have. A is B's sister. So these two brother sister are. If B is female, if B is male, brothers. That we can identify with the help of options. Don't worry. So A and B are sisters. This part is over. C is B's mother. That part is also over. This is one family. D is C's father. D. This is father and daughter relationship. C is D's daughter, and it is given C is B's mother. D is C's father. It is over. E is D's mother. Let us see one more character E here. E is D's mother. This is mother, female. This is male. It means mother and son relation they have. First generation here, mother's son. So second generation starts here. Third generation and fourth generation. This way it is going on. Now it is as simple as anything to identify, sir. How is B related to, how is A related to D? How is A related to D? So this is equal to A is B's sister, A female, B male. A is B's sister. Therefore, A is a granddaughter to D. A is a granddaughter to D. Look at the solution one more time, sir. A is B's sister. A is B's sister means A is female, B male. So this is not required. And this relation is brother-sister relation. First point is over. C is B's mother. C and this relation. So this is mother-son and it is mother-daughter relation. This is mother-son and this is mother-daughter relation. C is B's mother. D is C's father. So this relation is father and daughter relation. E is D's mother. Between D and E, mother and son relation. How is A related to D? So this part only you are considering between them. For this father, she is son, and for her, A is son. Sorry, A is a daughter. Therefore, this relation is a granddaughter. This relation is a granddaughter. Okay? First time, when you are drawing this family tree, you may commit a couple of mistakes. Don't worry for that. You intentionally commit one or two mistakes. Then verify whether the family tree drawn by you is correct or not. For that, what you have to read? What you have to do? Read the question carefully. And after that, any changes you want, you can bring. Finally, when you get satisfaction, whatever family tree drawn by you is correct, then move to the next question. Otherwise, do one more time practice on this one. Okay? Note down the solution. Okay, this diagram you can draw this way also. I'll give one more way of presentation of this. One more way of writing this. One more way of writing this. Let us see here. C mother. Let us see the three characters here up to this point. C, she is having two children, that is B and A. A is B's sister, so it is very clear. This relation is mother and son. This relation is equal to mother and daughter. This is brother-sister relation. So one way it is over. Let us move this way. D is C's father. This is D, father. So this relation is father and daughter relation. And one more character we have in the picture. E is D's mother. This relation is mother-son. This way, just same thing. Arrow pictorial representation is given for this with the help of arrows. Now what is the relation you have to establish? This is the relation you have to establish between them. A relation. Look at this. So A is a granddaughter to D. A is a granddaughter to D. Just 5-6 problems practice you need. After that you will get perfection. This is what I am saying through my experience. Okay. Now note down this one also. This part also. Then I will move to the next question. No, sir. Question number 4. Let us see question number 4. A is the father of B. A is B's father. A is the B's father. C is the daughter of B. C is B's daughter. A is B's father, C is B's daughter. So between them already maybe you established the relationship between them. D is brother of B. D is brother of B. Brother of B. E is the son of A. E is the son of A. A is the son of A. What is the relationship between C and E? What is the relationship between C and E? Let me give you the options, sir. Option A, brother and sister. Option B, cousins. Option C, niece and uncle. Option D, uncle and aunt. These are the options we have. Now look at this, sir. This is most important in this question. A is B's father. Let us take A here. B and C here. A is B's father, C is B's daughter, C is B's daughter, D is brother of B. So this relation is A is, but this relation is father and son. Father B's relation, gender is not given. A is B's father, C is B's daughter, D is brother of B, E is son of A, D is brother of B, E is son of A. E is equal to son of A. So this is father and daughter, son relation. Now what is required? What is the relationship between C and E? C and E. If I take B as a daughter of A, B is a daughter of A, then to E, C is niece for E, because these two are brother and sister. I'll take up this picture even in a better way. Let us see. B is D is A's brother. A is father of B, sir. I have A here. This is B. A is father of B. C is B's daughter. See, this is mother-daughter relationship or father-daughter relationship. B's gender is not given right now. E is son of A. E is equal to son of A. So this relation is brother-sister if B is a female, and brothers if B is also male. E is son of A. D is brother of B. D is brother of B. So A is having two sons, E and D. What is the relationship between C and E? C and E, this relation. Who is E, sir? E is brother to B. E is brother to B. C is B's daughter. So the relationship between these two, the relation between these two is equal to niece and uncle. What is C to E? Niece and uncle. This is the relation they have. Note down, before rubbing this, I'll give you one more time. Okay, look at the solution one more time, sir, before erasing this. A is B's father. So this is A, father. This relation, B's gender is not given. Again I am saying, this is father-daughter, or otherwise you can take father and son. So this part is over. E is the son of A. E is the son of A. This branch, this is father-son relationship. D is a brother of B. Brother of B. D is a brother of B. So these three same family. For this father, two sons and one daughter. If I take B as female, then one daughter and two sons. Otherwise, all three daughters only, all three sons only. Now what is given in the question, sir? C is B's daughter. Now forget about this gender because we are not interested about this one. What is asking here? B and E. Very clearly given, E is a son of A. E is son of A. So B, relation B and relation E related to the same family. The relation between B and E is same to A. This is father and his children. Now C is B's daughter. This relation is niece and uncle. Niece and uncle. Okay. Let us see next question, sir. If P is husband of Q, if P is husband of Q and R is the mother of S and Q. R is the mother of S and Q. What is the relation? What is the relation between, what is the relation of R to P? What is the relation of R to P? What is given? P is husband of Q. Let me read the options also. This is option A, mother. This is option B, sister. This is option C, aunt. Option D, mother-in-law. Now, let's have a look on the question. Let me read the question one more time, sir. P is husband of Q, correct? And R is mother. R is mother of S and Q. S and Q. So let us see. R, mother, and S and Q are two children, S and Q. This way, S and Q. P is the husband of Q. It means this is female, sir. I am considering this branch only. P is husband. So this is wife and husband relation. This is mother and a daughter relation. This is mother and a daughter relation. Now you have to find out a relation between these two. You have to find out a relation between these two. How simple it is. P is son-in-law to R. Otherwise you can say R is mother-in-law. R is mother-in-law to P. Depending upon the options you can select. P is son-in-law to R. R is mother-in-law to P. This is the question and this is the solution. Okay? How simple. Concentrate only on main branch. That is the branch through which you want to establish a relation. After reading the question, you will come to know the relation is required between whom. You concentrate more on that particular branch. Remaining branches you forget. Okay? This is the answer. Note down.